Hey guys, my name is Khan and welcome to the new video. In this video, we are going to talk about what is single candle order block and how we can identify them and what criteria you should follow before to marking a single candle order block. So first of all, you have to understand what is single candle order block. Single candle order block basically create in an impulsive and corrective wave. So when market taking out the inducement, right? I'm talking about the higher time frame structure. When market taking out the inducement, then market create a order block. Sometime market taken out the inducement, sweep and create single candle order block, but probably we are looking for the buy based on a higher time frame order block. And same scenario applicable in a bullish market. When market is a bullish and taking out the inducement, then we are looking for the buy after taking out the inducement and tap on extreme order block, then wait for like buy and sell, correct? But sometime what happened here, market taken out the inducement and now tap on your order block, but market push downside. And same scenario applicable in a bearish market. Market not respect your your actual POI which you mark as a order block, but market not reach your order block, but market push a downside as per your plan but not tap on your POE. So how you can understand these things? Let me show you exactly on chart. Let me show you through drawing, then you can understand more better what I'm trying to explain here. Okay, so which will be more helpful to you. So this is a diagram explanation about single candle order block. So these are possible scenario when market momentum is a bearish and break of the structure. I'm talking about the bearish market, and same principle applicable in a bullish market. There is a no change, right? So it's all about a process, same process in a bullish market and bearish market. And this is our higher time frame structure. You can see here, this is our higher time frame, and higher time frame can be your 15-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, 15-minute, and daily, weekly, monthly, any time frame, right? It's up to you. As a day trader, we use 15-minute as a higher time frame, and medium time frame we use H1, then we use 5-minute. Basically, you have to focus on two time frame. One is a higher time frame and one is for the entry. A lot of people mark multiple time frame order block, POI structure, everything like 15-minute, 1 hour, and 15-minute, 1 minute, and then 1 hour, 4 hour, everything. They mix all things. Then they confuse that where is market going on, because in a lower time frames are looking bullish, in a higher time frame looking bearish. So they are not confident that which side you should take trade. So always you have to focus on one time frame as a higher time frame and another time frame for entry. So this is our higher time frame. For example, I'm talking about this is our 15-minute, correct? So this is a 15-minute structure. Market taken out the inducement, confirm the lower low, and again push downside, break the previous low, and candle close below it, and this become our valid break of structure. And after valid break of structure, market must be taken out the inducement before to enter, right? Because if you are willing to sell here, for example this one is our order block. Probably you can see order block here, right? A lot of people are looking here for buy and sell. Why? Reason simple, because momentum is a bearish, they mark this is a boss, correct? And they are looking here for sell, but in reality this is a not a order block. Why? Because this is a SMT, smart money trap. Okay, so always you have to buy and sell after taking out the inducement in smart and liquidity sweep, correct? So this is our SMT. So you have to sell after taking out this high. So when market taken out the high, then you have a two scenario. First one, after taking out the inducement, you have to wait for it, mitigate your first order block. Probably here you can see order block sometime here. So it's depend. So if market taken out the inducement and tap on your order block, and this is one is called decisional POI, decisional order block, when you can take risk for the buy and sell. And this zone is our decisional, where 50% probability, because you have a one more POI where on the extreme one, this one. So this one is our extreme POI, and this one is more high probability compared to the decisional. This is a not 100%, but this is a more high probability compared to the decisional. So you have to play on decisional and extreme as per the current price action. What's market going on? If market not create here any reversal condition, then you don't need to sell here, right? Because some people say inducement taken out, then 100% sell. No, you have to sell and buy when market gives a reaction. Wait for reaction, market taken out the liquidity, taken out the inducement, and gives a reaction in candlestick formation, then you can take a decision for the buy and sell, which will be more better. To take these type of confirmation, I use single candle order block, which I cover in this video. So this is a very important and very powerful to you. So this process will help you allow to understand then when market tap on your decisional and extreme POI, and how you can deal in a candlestick formation, right? So let's see. So this is our inducement. Okay, so we are looking here for buy and sell because market is a bearish, so probably we are looking here for sell. So when we can sell here, we can sell here, right? Because this is our POI, not here. But what happens sometime market taken out the inducement like this. So how you can deal in this situation? You have to wait for it to sell? No, you can also sell here. Where? This one, because this one is our single candle order block. And remember one more thing, when you are looking for the buy and sell in a higher time frame to lower time frame, for example, this is our single candle order block. If market turn back to the upside, and sometime you will see market tap here, and you have to wait for it to inducement in a lower time frame also. Why? Because we are using this one as a higher time frame, as a 15-minute time frame. So here you can also wait for 1 minute inducement before to enter, right? But what happen if market not create this one and continue market pushing higher high, something like this, okay? And candle closer above it, and next candle also close above it like this, right? And price tap on your decisional POI. So how you can deal in this situation? Simply you can also sell here. This one is our additional confirmation, like price tap on POI and market gives a momentum to the downside. You have to mark this order block, right? So this become our single candle order block. So how you can deal it? Simple, market tap here, and then you have to wait for in a 1 minute chalk, and then you can sell, and this one is our target, correct? And same process will be applicable on extreme. Price tap here and gives you single candle order block, then you can take entry here for sell. But what happens? Sometimes you can see this candle is already mitigated by this candle like this. So where is single candle order block? Okay, because you can see this order block is already mitigated here, correct? So how you can deal in this situation? You can mark this one is our single candle order block, correct? Because you have a proper imbalance and market must be candle close below it, the previous candle low, right? You can see the previous candle low is a close below it. So this is a valid order block, and this is a single candle order block, correct? So this is our first scenario. And the next scenario here, if market sweep the previous candle high and create a single candle order block, then how you can deal in it, right? So simply you can see here in this point, market taken out the inducement, and after taking out the inducement, you have to check here the previous candle high, this one, which is also sweep here. It means candlestick also sweep here, inducement also sweep here. So you can take entry here. This candle like shadow act like a PY. Why? Because this candle shadow taken out the liquidity, taken out the previous candle high, and taken out the previous candle high and structure high. So it means this shadow act like a PY. So how you can deal in this situation? In this situation, you can directly sell here without inducement in a lower time frame. How? Let me show you exactly. This shadow is our PY, right, based on a single candle order block, correct? And in this case, you can also use the entire candle is here, okay? But for the refinement purpose, you can this one as a refinement, but you can also choose entire candle as a PUI, right? And this one is also called single candle order block, single candle PUI, right? There are different name, but work are similar. This one previous candle sweep, this candle close here, and the next candle open here. You have to refine here in a 1 minute order block, right? Then you can directly sell here and put the target is here. And in this case, you don't need inducement. But if market sweep the measure like a inducement, or is measure inducement and measure structure, right? For example, this structure sweep here like this. So in this case, you need a valid inducement in a lower time frame also for confirmation. But when market sweep the previous candle high and gives a PUI here, okay, then you can sell here based on a 1 minute refinement order block. I will show you all things on a chart, then you can understand more better that what I'm trying to explain here. This is a very helpful for you, and this will gives you more additional confirmation here for the buy and sell, okay? And same process will be applicable here. The previous candle high sweep here, and then what happened here? This entire candle act like our PUI, okay? So why I'm marking this one? For example, what happened if market create same process here, okay? Like previous candle high sweep here and create this type of structure here. So you don't need to sell here. Why? Because this one is our low probability. Try to understand, because there is a no higher time frame confirmation. Here, inducement taken out, inducement, then sell. This is our additional confirmation. Why we are taking here? Because price tap on after taking out the inducement and tap on the decisional. That's why we are taking. What happen here? Tap on extreme and previous candle high sweep here. We can sell here. Simple. What happen if price again go higher? Okay, and taken out the previous candle high is here. For example, so this become our PY. Next candle go higher and then mitigate and push downside till this low. So this is a process. You have to remember. You have to not sell or buy everywhere. Okay, when you see previous candle high low sweep here, then you are looking for the buy or sell. No, you have to wait for to create higher time frame inducement and wait for higher time frame PY, extreme PY or decisional PY mitigation. Then you have to focus on candlestick. You don't need to directly focus on candlestick everywhere. No, then most of the time your stop loss hit. You have to identify area of interest when you are looking for the buy and sell. Then you have to identify candlestick formation, and this process will help you allow to understand that market are respecting your order block is here, right? If market not create these type of confirmation, then don't try to sell here. You have to wait for it to create structure, to create candlestick structure. Okay, so let me show you exactly on chart, then you can understand more better, more clearly. So this is our GPUSD chart in a 15-minute time frame. Now you can see market momentum is a bullish. So when market momentum is a bullish, market must be taken out the inducement to confirm the higher high. So when market taken out the higher high, then we can consider that market taken out the inducement before continue go higher high. Right, so in this example you can see here everything is a bull, right? So what happened here at this point, you can see which point market taken out the inducement and where is our inducement. Look at this picture is here. This is our higher high is here. Why? Because market taken out the inducement means first pullback, this one. Okay, so this is a inducement is here, and after taking out the inducement probably we are looking for the buy, because after taking out the higher time frame inducement we can buy. Okay, and the left side you can see here there is no inducement taken out, so we can't buy. Okay, so when market taken out the inducement, then we can buy. After taking out the inducement, where is our PY means order block, where is our PY, right? So look at this one just below it, where is our order block? This one probably, okay, but this one is a mitigate here, and this one next is here. Okay, so this one is our next order block. This one is I think also mitigate here. If not, then this is a fine. Okay, so this one is our order block is here, and you are looking here for buy, but price not reach your order block and market go higher high as you expected here. So how you can deal in this situation? Simply you have to focus on candlestick formation based on single candle order block and single candle POI, right? So in this example you can see here why I marked this one. This is an inducement, correct? And after taking out the higher time frame inducement, you have to follow the candlestick formation, candlestick structure. Then you can easily mark your PY, easily mark your like single candle order block for the entry, right? Market taken out the inducement is here. So when market taken out the inducement, you have to buy here. But look at this picture is here very closely. The previous candle low taken out, but not a sweep in a first candle. Which one I'm talking about? The black candle. Just sweep this one, but not sweep the properly close below it. So you have to wait for sometime. What happened? These type of situation, market push downside and candle close below it. Let me show you through bar play, then you can understand more better. Okay, so now you can see very clearly if next candle can close below it, okay, and the next candle also close below it, and finally market type here. And then what happened here? Market taken out the previous candle low, and then you are playing to buy here based on the single candle order block. What happened here? If market taken out the previous candle low is here also, then you can also buy here. You don't need to wait for it to mitigate this order block. Why? Because higher time frame order block inducement taken out, and you have to wait for single candle order block in a higher time frame. Then you can also buy here. This is an additional confirmation for the buy. Okay, so let's see what happened next here. As you can see here, previous candle low taken out. It means liquidity grab here in a higher time frame. Okay, because this is happening here in a 15-minute time frame, maybe in another time frame like 30-minute, 20-minute. This is possible a sweep here. Okay, so when market sweep the inducement, and then very highly chances market can go higher or lower as per your plan, right? It's depend on a trend direction. If bullish, then market will be continue go higher. Right, so this low taken out, it means where is our single candle order block and when we can expect here. Look at this one. This is our actual entire candle act like a order block, right? But we are not using this one. We are using this shadow as a PY, and this shadow act like a PY. what happen if market next candle close above it, right? So we can mark entire candle as a PY, but right now there is a next candle is not close above it. But if you are willing to buy here, so we can buy here on this shadow. Okay, so let's see what happened next after this one. If you are very aggressive to buy here, looking for the buy, remember one thing, price must be tapped on PY and must be taken out the higher time frame PY, then you can do this type of situation. So the previous candle low taken out, so it means this shadow act like a PY because the previous candle low taken out. So now you can switch here in a 1 minute time frame and you can refine here 1 minute order block is here. So where is our 1 minute order block in this situation? So this entire candle as a order block, correct? So simply if market like came back to mitigate this single candle order block, you can buy here, put the stop loss below it. And remember one thing, this is a decisional, right? Decisional means 50% probability because higher time frame inducement taken out. If market tap on your higher time frame like a extreme order block, then very highly chances. Okay, and where is our target? Our target is previous measure high, which one is here. So this one is our target is here like this. Okay, and this is a target and this is a possible entry is here. Okay, so wait for it. Let's see what happened next after this one. Price mitigate your 1 minute order block, and this is a refinement. And also if you are willing to buy based on the refinement, simply you can also refine this one. Okay, why? Because this shadow is also taken out the liquidity and this is a complete like valid PY, okay, based on a 1 minute time frame also. So you can also buy here if you are willing to refine more refinement. The problem is here the more refinement. Okay, additional refinement means sometime you lose, okay, sometime you miss the trade. Okay, but when you mark the entire candle or 50% candle, then very highly chances market mitigate your order block and then market go in a favor or direction or opposite, it's depend. Okay, but main thing, the previous candle low taken out and mark as a PY, and you can buy here, put the stop loss just below it. And you have to always put the stop loss 15-minute previous candle low, right? Remember these things. Don't try to put the stop loss based on a 1 minute order block. No, you have to put the stop loss below it for the safer side. Now let's switch into 15 minute again to see exactly what happening here and what we can expect here. Okay, so this is our first entry is here, target the previous high, and let's see what happened next here. Okay, there is no candle closer, I mean based on a single candle order block. What happened here? The previous candle is here, right? If the next candle close of it, so we can mark this one is also as a single candle order block, right? So let's see what happened next after this one. Okay, there is a no sweep here. Look at this previous candle low. Okay, candle closer below it. So you have to wait for it to candle taken out the previous candle low, then we can buy here. Okay, there is a no sweep here. Okay, all right. Look at this picture is here. Look at this one. This candle close of it. It means this is our single candle order block is here, right? This one is our single candle order block. This candle cover the next third candle and the fourth candle came back to mitigate this one, and you can buy here simply, right? But if you are willing to refine in a 1 minute, then you can also refinement here. You have to check here. Okay, and as you can see here, in this case you need inducement, valid inducement before to buy. Okay, because you are buying on the actual order block, I mean single candle order block in higher time frame. But if market sweep the order block, then you don't need inducement. Okay, this is a difference. If market this one, I'm talking about this one, and this is a very like tricky, but this is important. Okay, the previous candle low sweep in a 15-minute time frame, then you don't need inducement. But if market create single candle order block, like this candle is here, the next candle close of it, and third candle mitigate, and then you need inducement. But in this case, the previous candle low sweep here, you have to immediate mark this one, candle close of it or not doesn't matter, because higher time frame liquidity sweep here, I mean inducement sweep here. That's why. So in this case, you have to mark where is our unmitigated order block in this case, and where is our inducement. First of all, look at this one. Where is inducement in this case? This one is our pullback. This is inducement, and after taking out the inducement, where is our first unmitigated order block? You have to check here. Look at this one. In this move, you can see this is our actual order block is here, and this is our unmitigated order block, right? It means we can buy here. Perfect. And just below it, there is no unmitigated order block. Everything is mitigated here. This one is mitigated here, this one is mitigated here, and this one is unmitigated with proper imbalance. And put the stop loss just below it, this low. And for the safer side, you can put the stop loss the actual previous candle low. But in this situation, after taking out the inducement, you can probably put the stop loss like this. Okay, this is a first pullback, and target are similar, the 15-minute high, this one, and this is our 15-minute high. And let's see what happened next after this one. Okay, this is our valid losses here, right? As per the plan, this is our valid entry here, but look at this picture is here very closely. Market not taken out the previous low is here, right? But if you are putting the stop loss just below it, then our risk reward increase here. But if you are putting the stop loss just below it, our increase our risk reward decrease here. So it's all about like a risk, that how much you are taking risk and what capital you are aiming to gain, right? So if you are willing to put the stop loss just below it, so this is actually valid. And also for the safer side, this one, as I told you in the starting, right? This is the actual safer stop loss, and this one is a little bit sometime tricky like this, and then stop loss hit. And why I'm showing this one, because sometime your stop loss hit and you are thinking, why Khan told me that stop loss never hit like this in this situation. It's all about probability. Sometime you lose, sometime you win. It's all about probability. You have to think in a long-term process, right? Now again, you have to switch here in a 15-minute time frame to see exactly what we can expect in the next move. Okay, so look at this previous candle is here. The previous candle low is a taken out. So when market taken out the previous candle low is here, look at this picture is here, right? It means we can mark this is our as a PY, and in this case you don't need inducement. Why? Because market not cover the next candle high, like the next candle close of it and again push downside, and then you need inducement in a 1 minute. Okay, but if you are buying here on this shadow, so in this case you don't need inducement, simple. So this is our PUI, and you have to switch here in a 1 minute time frame again to see exactly where is our 1 minute order block, and then you can directly buy here without inducement, right? So right now there is a no like order block create here. You have to wait for it to next candle open here, then you can buy here. So let's see. Okay, next candle close of it, it means the 15-minute the order block create here. So where is our order block in this case? Look at this one. Actual last selling candle before the buy is here, this one. Okay, because the proper imbalance is here, and just below it you can see these are inside VAR, right? The previous candle high and low is here, and this is the order block. You can buy here and again go higher and put the stop loss just below it as per the candlestick formation, right? And the next thing is here, if the larger range is here in a candlestick formation in an order block, so simply you can refine as a 50%. Okay, you don't need to every time. You have to do when when order block is a larger and you want to reduce the risk and maximize your profit. Okay, and this is a valid if you are willing to buy on entire candle here, like this one is a valid here. But if you are willing to like a buy on a 50%, so this one is also valid here, and put the stop loss just below it. In a both scenario these are valid here, but you have to remember you have to put the stop loss the previous candle low. Okay, so let's see what happened next after this one, and target is here. Okay, now let's see what happened next after this one, mitigation. Okay, and again you have to switch here in a 15-minute time frame, and remember one thing, the previous candle high break, then you have to put the stop loss like on a you can put stop loss on break even. Okay, and the major target is here. Okay, so let's see what happened next after this one. Okay, continue market going higher high. There is a no previous candle low sweep here. Everything is a continuation to the upside, and some people are trying to sell in an opposite side. They are saying the previous candle high sweep here, we can buy here. No, you can't sell here. Why? Because major trend is a bullish. You have to buy in a pro trend. Don't try to sell here. You can see the previous candle high sweep here, you are willing to sell here. Maybe market tap here gives a reaction, and then market again continue go higher. So why are you selling here? Why not trying to buy here? Okay, because this is a pro trend and this is a counter trend. Okay, so let's see what happened next after this one and what we can expect here. Okay, look at this one. Now you can see the previous candle low sweep here. When previous candle low sweep here, you can mark this shadow as a PY, as you know. And if market create here 1 minute order block here, definitely you can buy. But where is the stop loss? Ask yourself. The previous candle low here, because this candle taken out the liquidity. Okay, if market not create here any single candle order block in a 1 minute time frame, then what we can here? We can wait for it another order block creation. Okay, for example here in a lower time frame, price continue falling. there is a no like single candle order block in a 1 minute time frame, then why are you buying here? Okay, you have to wait for it. So simply you have to wait for it. Don't try to buy or sell blindly. You have proper logic before to buy and sell. Okay, so this is a PY when we can buy here. You have to refine here in a 1 minute time frame and when we can buy here. In this situation, you can see where is order block, this one. Okay, it means we can buy here. This candle taken out the liquidity in a 15 minute and we can buy here because this is our actual last selling candle before this buy, and in this case you don't need inducement. Okay, buy here and put the stop loss just below it. And where is our target? This is previous major high as a target. Okay, and let's see what happened next after this one. Tap here, mitigation, and continue going higher high. Okay, and also remember one thing, you can also add multiple position based on 1 minute time frame, but this is a more like super fast, so don't try to this one, because when you able to catch these type of trade, these type of thing, then you can understand more better, like the 1 minute refinement. Press tap here and then you have to wait for it to taken out the liquidity, and again single candle order block is here, right? You can also buy here. This is also possible entry here. Why I'm showing this one? Because if sometime this is not applicable to buy here, okay, sometime you miss this one, you can catch this one. So these are possible way, and put the stop loss just below it. You have a multiple way to catch this trade. Okay, so again continue going higher high, and now again switch here in a 15 minute time frame. And why this is a pullback? Because market are tap here. Okay, so when price tap on liquidity point, then market gives a pullback. Okay, but same principle applicable in a pro trend. If market taken out the previous candle low, okay, then market gives you actual momentum to the upside, because pro trend is a bullish. But in a this side, in a counter side, market gives a pullback, then continue go higher. Okay, so why market are coming back? Because this is a supply and gives a reaction. And which level? This is our single candle order block, this one exactly. And market came back to mitigation this order block, single candle order block, and continue go higher. But in this situation, you need a valid inducement before to buy. If there is a no inducement, then don't try to buy here, right? Let me show you again here 1 minute time frame. If market get inducement here, then definitely you can buy. Exactly. Where is inducement in this case? This one, because this is a pullback. And after taking out the pullback, where is our order block? Look at this one inducement sweep here. So where is order block? This one, correct. Why I'm marking this one? Because the inducement sweep here. If not sweep inducement, then where you should buy here? In this case, this is our actual order block is here. Okay, this one is the first entry and next entry is here. Okay, here also you can buy here, and this can be also failed and passed. This is a 50% probability, because this is a 1 minute time frame, right? And actual order block is here after taking out the inducement. Okay, so you can take additional confirmation here for buy. So first buy is here, put the stop loss just below it, and this is a 50% probability. If market failed this setup, then you have to wait for it to create single candle order block is here, and buy here the previous candle low sweep here, and again looking for the buy. And this is a still valid setup until broken this, right? So let's see what happened next after this one and what we can expect in. Okay, let's see. Okay, perfect. Okay, so finally market hit our 15 minute target is here, and these are possible entries is here based on a 15 minute previous candle like low high sweep, and based on a single candle order block. This is a very helpful and very powerful and very game changer for you. These will help you for additional confirmation, because people are confused that which order block should buy and sell. Okay, so this will help you a lot. Okay, you have to focus on candlestick formation, because structure is here and these are candlestick structure. Okay, both are important for you. This will help you for additional confirmation, and this is a structure base. You can see here market not respect your order block, but you can see how many possible entries is here for the buy. So now you can understand that how you can actually buy and sell after taking out the inducement, after tap on your POI, right? And what process you have to follow. Okay, so you can see here, if you are following the direct candlestick formation is here, you can see how many times you will see the previous candle high, then you are pulling to buy here, sell here, again low sweep here, and buy sell here. So how many times your stop loss hit? There are a lot of. But why these are not valid here? Because this is a counter trend. And why this become more valid? Because higher time frame low, inducement taken out, that's why this become more valid. You don't need to follow everywhere single candlestick formation. No, you have to follow on some specific point like inducement, decisional PY, and XT. That's it in higher time frame. I hope you understand that how you can trade like this, and you can backtest on your chart. First, when you confident and when you understand thing, then try to trade on your live trade. Okay, so in this video enough for the day. I hope you enjoyed this session. I will see you in the next video. Happy trading.